We thank God for Manila Day yesterday, no? Basaan Day sa San Juan, parada ng lechon sa Balayan, no? Sa kapistahan ni John the Baptist, no? And we thank God for that. And today we continue to thank God for the 8th day in our novena of Masses in honor of the Sacred Heart of Jesus, no? Bukas na yung 9th day, tapos sa piyesta na sa Biyernes, no? We thank God for God's love, and we thank God for the many reminders today. Nung Lunes, yung first reading, yung pagtawag kay Abram, no? Abram, hindi pa Abraham. Later on siya tinawag na Abraham, ngayon wala pang Abram lang na Abram. So tinawag siya at 75 years old, in his comfort zone, pumunta sa isang lupain na hindi niya kilala, no? Dahil sumunod siya sa utos ni Yahweh. Sabi niya, I will make you the father of all nations. No? At 75, wala siyang anak at 75. Sabi niya, go, I will make you father of all nations. So sumunod siya, dala niya yung buong angkan niya at sumunod sa utos ni Yahweh. Pero it took him 15 years bago sagutin yung kanyang anak. So sabi niya, 75 na ako. Wala na yung body clock. No? Tapos, you want me to be the father of all nations? 75. Tapos, naghintay pa siya ng 15 years. Akala niya, magsumunod sa Panginoon, di ba, madali na yung, Hindi, 15 years pa. Hanggang 90, dun siya nagkaanak at 90 years old. No? And then, he became father of all nations. And all of us, there are 3 religions. The Christianity is one of them, Judaism, and the other religion, which makes him the father of the monotheistic religion, isang Diyos. Kasi dati maraming Diyos, di ba? And Abraham, the Jews, the us, and what's the other one? I forget, the third monotheistic religion, no, aside from Judaism. One God, one God. And the father of that is Abraham. No? That's why we have our commonalities with others. He became, and because of that, there are 2,500,000, no? Nagsimula sa isa, nung 90 years old, at siya naging ama. No? Sabi niya, your descendants will be as numerous as the stars. No? And the responsorial psalm would say, the Lord remembers His covenant forever. No? So sabihin mo, naku, parang nakalimutan na yata yung pangako sa akin. No? Nakalimutan na. No, He will remember. No? His covenant will always come in His time. Not in my time, but in His time. So nung Lunes, meron kaming maliit na grupo na misa at nagsisharing, di ba? Nagsisharing. Sabi ko, kayo ba? So we were talking about being called late in life, no? At kinuwento ng isang kasama namin doon sa sharing, sabi niya, alam nyo, yung dati nating ambassador sa Vatican, si Mercy Tuason, no? Nung tinawag siya para maging ambassador, 79 years old. She never held a job in her whole life. She was a housewife. And then she was made ambassador to the Holy Land, to the Vatican, at 79. At sumunod siya, no? And thank God, no? Pag binigyan ka ng misyon, no matter what age, may kasama namang grasya eh. Hindi ka naman papabayaan eh. Anong gagawin ko, no, at 79, no? And I always say, the seminary that we came from is called Holy Apostles Senior Seminary. Kasi all of us are called late in life. Dentista na ako nung pumasok ko sa seminaryo, di ba? Most of you know. So, lahat kami mga professionals, no? Normally, mga pumapasok sa seminaryo, minsan minor seminary, nag-high school sa seminaryo, minsan nagka-college sa seminaryo. Kami, all of us have graduated college. All of us have our respective professions. And then, Cardinal Rosales, whom we will visit after this, said, there is no such thing as late. Hindi naman late vocation yan. No? Because there is nothing late in God. God calls us in His time. So walang late. Lahat yan eksakto. No? So when you are called, no matter at what stage of life, pag tinawag, go. We may leave our comfort zone, but we go and follow. Very briefly, the gospel speaks about, by the fruits you will know. No? Magbubunga naman yan eh. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Huwag tayo maninlang sa panlabas. No? Naku, pari yan. Mabait siyan. Yun yung akala nyo. Maraming sungay ang mga pare. Wag nyo so spoilin ang mga pare. Pakiusap ko lang, no? Naglalakihan ng mga pare kasi ang dami-dami yung pinapakain, no? Konti lang. No, we have to discern what to give. Kaminsan yung mga seminarista pa lang, ang lalaki na. Seminarista pa lang. Pag magpari yan, nako, gigantic na yan, higante na, no? So be very, very careful. Be very discerning, no? Be very discerning. So we thank God for the fruits. May we be fruitful. But remember, it will only be fruitful if matibay ang ugat sa Panginoon. Pag walang ugat, walang bunga ayon sa Panginoon. Mabunga ka nga sa mundo. You are a star. You are a movie star. You are famous, rich and famous in the eyes of the world. But in the eyes of God, zero. Diba? What matters? No, what matters? Not of the world, but of the Spirit. May we bear fruit. Fruit that matter to God. And we thank God for this 8th day in our novena of Masses in honor of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. Amen.